Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub once again with a new video, and in this video I'm going to help you with time management for your academic writing task 1. So timed writing practice for academic writing task 1. Many of you been asking me this question that how to manage time in writing. Please make some videos on time management in writing and all that. So here I am with a time management video for report writing. Anyways, what to do and how long? Okay, there are two things. What to do and how long means how much time you need to spend on that. Remember, total time for report writing or allocated time for report writing should be 20 minutes, not more than that. Keep that in mind. 20 minutes for report writing and 40 minutes for essay writing. Now, what to do and how long? The first thing, read to understand the visual and select the key features. For that, you can spend 3 minutes. Read to understand the visual, what the visual is all about. Visual means the graph. And select the key features. You can spend 3 minutes on that. Write a clear introduction sentence and you can spend 2 minutes on that because you've got to do rewording and all that. So write a clear introduction sentence, spend 2 minutes on that. Next, write a clear overview that summarizes the key features and you can spend 3 minutes on that. Again, I tell you, write a clear overview, second part of the report, that summarizes the key features and you can spend 3 minutes on that. Now, write about the key features using language to describe data or using language to describe the process or changes. On this, you can spend 9 minutes. This is what we call the body of your report. So, on body of the report, you can spend 9 minutes. Next, count the number of lines and check for mistakes. That's what we call proofreading. You can count the number of lines and you can proofread just in 3 minutes. So the total time is 20 minutes. This is how you can manage your time for IELTS report writing. Let me tell you again what to do and how long. Read to understand the visual and select the key features, 3 minutes. Write a clear introduction sentence in 2 minutes. Write a clear overview that summarizes the key features in 3 minutes. Write about the key features using language to describe the data or using language to describe the process or changes in 9 minutes. Count the number of lines and check for mistakes in 3 minutes, and total minutes are 20. This is how you can manage your time, and this is the best thing about time management for report writing. If you like this video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my this channel and my other channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. Apart from this, I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.